You guys are
our governor. I have a team of.
I will continue as the governor of this county to champion education. We have had several, we have our annual event that we normally dub NITA 1, NITA 2, now going to NITA 3, where all our principal directors of education, chairs of the boards, come together to discuss performance of schools in Kajiado. I am happy that that coming together of the various education stakeholders have continuously improved performance in Kajiado. We in the Man Nation have suffered a tragedy in the past of not accepting education that we have left behind, and we are now all committed to support education.
The girls were able to give us 91% transition. This is an improvement from last year, which we had 89% transition. This is a great improvement. Our target is 9.5. We are still moving on there, and it is achievable.
This excellent performance shows that and convinces us as leaders that investment to the girl child is worth it. And it's very important, and we are very grateful because the leaders in this county have also embraced education. The parents have embraced education for girls, and everyone now